In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Management. Management is a process which helps to obtain objectives of organization effectively and efficiently by following Henry Fuel. Planning, examining future and drawing plan, organizing, build up structure, both material and human, commanding, maintain the activity among the persons, coordinating, binding together, unifying all activities, controlling, ensuring everything is according to the rules. Administration. Administration refers to all the activities that are involved in managing and organizing the affairs of a company or institution at particular time. Difference between administration and management and supervision. Administration. Set the policy and goals, make decisions done at top level. Management. Order supervision to implement policy and goals, make plans and procedure to achieve policy objectives. Second, place order to implement decision. Third, function of management include planning, organizing, staffing, leading, budgeting, and controlling. Supervision. Ensure implementation of policy is true spirit. Check, guide, and help the workers in achieving goals. Ensure the proper implementation of decision. Difference between leadership and management. Leadership. Doing the right thing, developing, thinks about whole organization, policy making, set the objectives, original, lead, proactive. Management. Doing the things right, maintaining, think about the assigned work, policy implementation, achieve the objectives, copy, follow, and reactive. Difference between management and administration. Management. Short-term goals, success seeking, primary task, many decisions affect few, emphasizes on result, profit maximizing. Administration. Long-term goals, mistake avoiding, secondary task, few decision affect many, emphasizes on procedure, analyzing, problem solving. Element in management administration. These elements can be read as policy, planning, organization, leading, interpersonal communication, commanding and controlling, and last, valuation. Elements of administration. Gulick and Ervik. Gulick and Ervik presented following elements of administration as POSDCORB: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and last, budgeting. Elements of administration. Henry Fuel. Planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and last, controlling. Dear student, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.